Hello. Yeah, so I am working on this signature processing errors and this one, and we are working on like there is a beer page that is on the detail page of the contact, and when user you open the contact, there are some conditions based on that it redirect to another page where the user can either upload a PDF image or something, or he can sign for the consent, something like that. So I converted those three pages into lightning component, and I just put it similar same as it was before. So yeah, you see, as soon as I open the contact, it redirected to me here. So the condition is something like either the contacts attached consent attached is true, or GDPR contact is true, or consent required MD is true. So and status is inactive. Okay, and the user have edit contact permission, which is a permission set, and or it can be either of these profiles which need to sign a consent. So all these conditions right now you see, I just overrided it to true. So that means if you open any contact, it will just redirect to that page. It will just skip all these conditions. I have done this to just test our component and just not to these conditions. So for now it is always true. That means it will always redirect to this page. So now if I try to go to e-signature page, which is now loading and using the new experience ID that you have created, and if I cancel it, it will go back to contact and it will redirect to this page again. So user will not see the page until he will complete these steps. Or one more thing is, if the user go here in the URL and use the back button of the browser, if you try to do that, it will again redirect to this page. So I have like handled this one as well. So he cannot like try to use this one. Okay, so that's how it's working right now. So right now if I try to open the contact, and because I have just forcefully like sent show attribute, that means it will like bypass these conditions and always open uh, the page just for testing. So for now let me disable it. Okay, and I have to find such contact which fulfill these conditions, and I just commented this one. So now if I go to the contact, yeah, it will not redirect it to anywhere. So this can happen when the user sign or upload the consent PDF or something. So after that our class update the contacts and it will not open the page next time. But I wanted to just show you the new button, and that I moved from dev6 to here, that is update consent new full screen mobile. So this is just right here. There were some labels and things that I created for it. It was not here. Okay, so yeah, it's working, and let me just sign it. Okay, save sign. Did I click? Okay, yeah. So it took few seconds, and my Wi-Fi is very slow. I'm not sure it is. Please let me know if it is taking too much time for you as well. Okay, so I just signed this. Okay, so I don't know what happened after signing or something, but it's working fine. And let me go back and just make it. There are 2 3 other variables that I hard coded just to, so that I can see those options. Okay, but we can later like make it the actual value. For now it's for testing purpose. Right here you see this edit is so true always. Like, let me do it and test the actual thing that we are doing here. Okay, just refresh the contact, it will redirect to the next page. Yeah, you see it redirected to the next page. And if I go here and sign the contact, it will save the signature, but and redirect it to the contact. But after going to contact, it will come back to the next page again, because right now it's like so is hard coded to true. Yeah, you see it just came back again here after going to contact, but that's fine, because I have hard coded it here. When users sign, I think they must have like uncheck this checkbox or something, so that it should not like go back to the same page again. I'm hoping something like that must have happened, like must have done. Okay, so please check this. And I'm working on the mobile part, and now you see that you said that we cannot use model pop-up. And one thing is, user cannot close the model pop-up if we now put the cross icon or cross button, but that's fine. I will open the component full screen mobile, but the only thing that the only problem is that sometimes it's like refresh the component when while we are trying to sign. And I will fix that, or try to fix that issue, and let you know.